Fresh celery deliveries enter controlled receiving for traceable processing.
Each pallet receives digital traceability before entering production.
Weight verification confirms delivery quantity and supports batch records.
Internal lot coding links every stock to processing records.
Inspectors check color, turgidity, and damage before sampling.
We collect the celery QC samples to ensure they meet our quality standards before packaging.
Quality data supports later blending control.
pH monitoring guides safe thermal processing later.
Temperature confirms cold chain integrity from farm to plant.
Broken or decayed stalks are documented to evaluate lot quality. Defect tracking helps prevent compromised material entering processing. Approved lots enter the controlled production flow. First in, first out staging preserves freshness consistency.
Scheduling ensures traceable batch continuity.
Packaging is removed before transferring the produce to the line. Controlled manual transfer prevents damage before washing. Crates are opened for controlled unloading into the wash line.
Raw celery begins the automated preparation line. Gentle conveying protects structure before washing.
The next stage removes remaining field contaminants. Flume washing gently lifts and transports celery while loosening dirt. Moving water suspends celery and loosens soil without damaging stalks. Bubble turbulence lifts dirt trapped between celery ribs. Rinse sprays remove loosened soil from the wash surface. Controlled sanitizer levels reduce microbial load on produce surfaces. Monitoring ensures sanitizer remains within safe, effective limits. The flume carries celery to the lift conveyor for drainage. Perforated belts remove excess water during transfer. Shaking separates remaining water before inspection.
Wash water moves to treatment and never returns to the product line.
Inspection removes damaged or foreign material. Operators confirm cleanliness and structural quality.
Automated sorting enhances removal of contaminants.
Vision systems detect color defects and foreign matter.
Clean produce advances to trimming preparation.
Trim waste joins the fiber byproduct stream. Size reduction improves grinding efficiency.
Uniform pieces prepare the product for grinding extraction.
Grinding converts plant tissue into mash for pulp extraction.
Mechanical grinding ruptures plant cells, releasing juice and fiber.
Sanitary pumps move mash through closed piping. The finisher removes remaining coarse particles. Screening ensures consistent puree texture for aseptic filling. Inline sieving removes remaining particles before deaeration. Coarse celery fiber separated from puree is routed to the byproduct recovery line. Mechanical pressing reduces water content before drying. Drying prepares the fiber for milling into powder.
Wasn't recent and flawless. The audio is dominated by the loud, steady whirring and droning of large industrial machinery.
The controlled airflow ensures even dehydration without burning plant solids.
Cooling stabilizes dried fiber before milling. Milling reduces dried fiber into uniform powder. Mechanical impact converts dried fiber into fine powder. Cyclone separation captures powder efficiently. Sieving ensures consistent particle size. Recovered plant fiber becomes a secondary ingredient product. Deaeration removes trapped air that could affect flavor and heat transfer. If temperature drops, the valve diverts product away from filling. Rapid cooling preserves flavor and color. Sterile connections prevent contamination before packaging. Closed, sterile piping maintains aseptic conditions. Sterile liners protect puree from external contamination. Controlled insertion maintains sterile contact. The puree fills under sterile conditions for bulk distribution. Protects the sterile liner. Traceability codes link each drum to processing records. Check weighing confirms correct fill quantity. Vision inspection confirms closure integrity and readable codes. X-ray screening detects dense contaminants inside sealed containers. Approved drums proceed to palletizing. Automated palletizers ensure stable stacking.
Uniform stacking prevents movement during shipping.
Wrapping secures drums during transport.
Finished product moves to controlled storage.
Storage maintains traceable batch organization.
Digital tracking confirms outgoing inventory.
Pallets travel from storage to shipping bays.
Wastewater solids are removed before further treatment.
Appropriate performances. The audio is dominated by the loud, continuous sounds of industrial machines.
Microorganisms break down remaining organic material.
Solid residues are collected for disposal or composting. Clean-in-place systems sanitize processing equipment between batches.
Conductivity confirms correct detergent concentration during cleaning.
Finished celery puree drums are dispatched to industrial customers.
The batch leaves the facility with full traceability and safety controls.